Leading the global trend to more mobile, more lethal mortars, Sultan Systems presents the Cardome, a unique self-propelled 120mm recoil mortar system. Already in service, the highly mobile Cardome is a force multiplier for the field commander, delivering superior lethality and survivability to today's frontline forces. Integrating latest C4 technologies, the Cardome's rapid fire and pinpoint accuracy make it the essential organic close-fire support weapon for the modern army. Designed for the digital battlefield, the Cardome integrates into the battle management system. Receiving target data from forward observers or other sensors, the Cardome's onboard ballistic computer, state-of-the-art navigation and aiming devices, and auto-laying 120mm recoil mortar combine to provide maximum firepower. Together, the Cardome system closes the sensor to shooter to target firing loop with fastest response time in the field and rapid shoot and scoop capability. Operated by a driver and 3-man crew, the Cardome's advanced pocket artillery system delivers a rapid fire burst of 16 rounds per minute and reaches an extended range of up to 9,000 meters. With automatic laying through 360 degrees, the Cardome can swiftly exploit targets of opportunity without needing to move the vehicle. And with fully synchronized MRSI, the rounds rain down on targets with pinpoint accuracy for maximum effect. In service in the US, Middle East, Africa, and elsewhere, the Cardome offers the ultimate in system versatility. Highly scalable, the Cardome can be operated either manually or fully automated as part of the integrated fire control system. Thanks to its soft recoil, the Cardome can be deployed on a wide range of existing platforms, wheeled and tracked armored fighting vehicles, and 4x4 light vehicles. And the typical armored mortar carrier can hold as much as 70 rounds of 120mm NATO standard or US qualified ammunition. With an innocent APC profile, perfect for peacekeeping missions, the Cardome is equally effective in low-intensity conflicts, as it is during full battle operations. For versatility in field or urban combat, the crew can easily and swiftly redeploy the Cardome's barrel for use in mounted and dismounted missions. With either smooth or rifled barrel, the Cardome is also available in an 81mm version for mission flexibility and greatly reduced training costs. Thanks to its feature-rich functionality, the Cardome is the only recoil mortar system type classified by the US Army, Israel Defense Force, and other leading armies. For more than 5 decades, Sultan Artillery System House has been supplying battle-proven weapon solutions to the world's armed forces. Renowned for its capabilities in development, manufacturing, and stringent testing of both artillery and ammunition, Sultan is currently producing significant quantities of Cardome systems every month, with hundreds of back orders. Part of the larger Sultan Group, leading providers of highly integrated land force defense solutions, Sultan Systems' innovation, proven experience, and global presence all stand firmly behind the Cardome. The Cardome, a unique 120mm recoil mortar system that meets all the modern battlefield requirements.
Torre Manaus, Guardião 70. Iniciando decolagem no momento. Guardião 70, Manaus ciente. Vento de 270 graus com 10 nós. Após a decolagem, curva direita. Intercepte imediatamente a radial 330. Câmbio. Guardião 70, Centro Amazônico, câmbio. Centro Amazônico, Guardião 70. Prossiga. Confirme se está pronto para a missão. Afirmativo. Estamos prontos e com o agente Marcos Rocha a bordo para a missão.
Então, alguma atividade em comum?
Negativo.
Continue procurando.
Agente Marcos,
O que foi?
detectamos um intruso no setor norte.
Isso aqui?
Isso.
Já confirmou com o controle da Amazônia se esse tráfego é conhecido? Deixa que eu falo com eles.
A aeronave desconhecida voando na proa de Manaus, 600 milhas ao norte. Você está entrando no espaço aéreo brasileiro. Adicione transponder. Aeronave desconhecida, você está entrando no espaço aéreo brasileiro sem plano de voo. Faça contato agora com Manaus. Frequência 1, 2, 1, decimal 1, 5, câmbio.
Tá ok. Eles não respondem. Esse tráfego não é conhecido. Confirme essa rota pra mim e checa se é Manaus.
Afirmativo.
Droga. Peça pra acionar o alerta.
Acione o alerta.
Escorpião Negro, temos uma aeronave desconhecida na proa de Manaus. Nível 050, voando a 160 nós, sem autorização de voo.
Torre Manaus, Escorpião Negro, acionando os motores.
Ok, livre táxi. Escorpião Negro, decolagem 10 e 15. Após a decolagem, curva direita em contato direto com a defesa aérea. Escorpião Negro, defesa aérea, câmbio. Defesa aérea prossiga. Intruso voando na proa 150, nível de voo 050, velocidade 160. Para interceptação, curva direita agora para a proa 040. Aeronave desconhecida, você está em espaço aéreo brasileiro sem autorização. Adicione código transponder 6750.
Droga. São eles, só pode ser.
Defesa aérea, Escorpião Negro, visual para aeronave intrusa. Instruções.
Ok, Escorpião Negro, aguarde posição discreta. Estamos tentando contato rádio com a aeronave. Marcos, tá me ouvindo, Marcos?
Marcos, não escuta, fala.
As fotos de Xavier chegaram hoje. Elas estão aqui comigo, estão aqui na minha frente. Meu amigo, nós temos um baita problema em nossas mãos. As bombas são reais.
Afirmativo.
É exatamente o que Xavier havia nos informado. São armas de destruição em massa.
Sim, eu sei. De qual dimensão?
São bombas atômicas, Marcos. Hector Gasca comprou bombas atômicas. Eu vou passar pra você todas essas fotos e vou fazer um relatório pra nossa diretora, ok?
Faça isso imediatamente, Daniel. Ela precisa falar com o presidente agora.
Muito cuidado, parceiro. Boa sorte. Escorpião Negro, faça contato agora com o Guardião 70 para continuar a interceptação.
Atenção, Super Tucano. Aproximar da aeronave intrusa.
Intrusa e tirar fotos. Repetindo, aproximar da aeronave intrusa e tirar fotos. Afirmativo. Papatango Kilo Índia Lima, você está sendo interceptado pela Força Aérea Brasileira. Responda na frequência 121 no decimal 5, câmbio. Papatango Kilo Índia Lima, confirme o seu destino e local monitoreie o plano de voo.
Atenção, pilotos do Super Tucano. Quem fala é o agente de operações Marcos Rocha.
Prossiga. Senhores, a BIM tem informações precisas.
Precisas que essa aeronave que os senhores interceptaram agora leva
Pelo menos um artefato nuclear em direção a Manaus. Se esse piloto não seguir o procedimento e pousar, imediatamente os senhores terão que abater essa aeronave. Copiado? Somente o presidente tem autorização para o tiro de destruição.
O presidente não vai receber essas informações a tempo. A gente tem que evitar
Que essa aeronave se aproxime de Manaus. solicitado. La Defensa Aérea Brasileña ordena que usted mude su rota y puede obligatoriamente en Cacual. No, en la izquierda, para la proa 050 ahora.
Landing gear.
Lançamos lá 4 bombas, 2 impactaram realmente lá sobre o objetivo, abrindo 2 crateras com mais de 10 metros de diâmetro. Então realmente interditamos a pista e podemos garantir que aquela pista lá ninguém mais pousa nem decola. Está interditada e estamos dessa forma aí contribuindo para o nosso plano estratégico de fronteira, agindo aí contra esses atos ilícitos.
É importante que a gente aproveite essas características da aeronave A-29 Super Tucano, uma aeronave de fabricação nacional, que alia essa grande precisão, tanto na navegação quanto no emprego de armamento, com um relativo baixo custo de operação. Então, para as necessidades da Operação Ágata, a aeronave A-29 Super Tucano se encaixa perfeitamente aí para o cumprimento da missão.
Impacto no centro da pista, danos severos. Confirme copiado.
Afirmativo.
The A-29 Super Tucano is a great aircraft for the light air support mission. From the ground up, it was built as a combat aircraft. Strong gear and strong Goodyear tires. Extremely strong fuselage, empennage, and wings. Well joined. Even the canopy is exceedingly strong. Martin Baker seats, Pratt & Whitney engine, Hartzell prop, a super aircraft with a great capability. Inside the cockpit, you'll find the most modern MFDs, a HUD, repetition to the forward cockpit and the rearward cockpit for train or combat, integration with the FLIR Bright Star II ball, and 133 certified weapons loads that have already been proven on the Tucano. When you compare it to an AT-6, you're comparing a proven light attack aircraft to a prototype modified trainer. There really is no comparison in the strength and the proof of these aircraft.
Okay, he's on fire, he's on fire, he's on fire. He's going down, he's down, he's down. Okay, blanco de arriba, blanco de arriba. Okay,
Ready, box and hold, weapon away. down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, release, release. Sight is firing on target. 14 seconds to impact. Good TTI. Sight is firing on target. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Splash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pickles down.
Goes down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Weapon away.
Pickles. 3, 4, 5, 6. Starting to push over.
Yeah, 23, 19. That looks good. 15 seconds to impact. Okay. 10,
6, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Splash. Good hit.
Right.
Comments 10 seconds. Pickle down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, weapon away.
Making its public debut at the Paris Air Show 2013 was the US-based IMAX with their Archangel attack and surveillance turboprop aircraft. IMAX have developed the Archangel border patrol aircraft based on the Thrust 710 platform, integrating electro-optics and weapons to provide a reliable and capable multi-mission aircraft. IHS James spoke to IMAX Chief Technology Officer Jim Toole.
This is our IOMAX Archangel aircraft, designed for long-endurance surveillance, up to 8 hours in an ISR mode. We can weaponize this platform with laser-guided bombs, Hellfires, laser-guided rockets. It's intended to stay aloft for extended periods of time with a crew of 2 to provide surveillance and the ability to make decisions in the air. Real-time data link to the ground and all through SATCOM provide the means by which you can send that data to ground forces for cooperative engagement and also to be able to get back to command and control.
Special mission equipment for the Archangel includes an electro-optic, infrared, laser rangefinder, laser designator sensor turret, communications and signals intelligence system package, synthetic aperture and moving target radar, as well as line of sight and beyond line of sight voice communications. IMAX is currently in qualification of the Turkish-based Roketsan laser-guided Sirit missile system for the Archangel. The first integration test firing occurred in mid-February 2013, and qualification is scheduled for completion by October. The other weapon systems mentioned have already been qualified for the aircraft. Performance trials are still underway, but it has been suggested that the Archangel, a speed of 200 knots and exceed 4 hours endurance with a full weapons load, or 10 hours on station in the I-STAR mission.
IOMAX was established in 2001. Headquartered in Mooresville, North Carolina, IOMAX operates by our corporate vision to be recognized and respected by U.S. and foreign governments as a reliable supplier of innovative solutions addressing extremely challenging domestic and foreign security issues. The foundation upon which IOMAX has relied to successfully provide functional, state-of-the-art solutions to the warfighter is found in its ability to effectively and rapidly assess emerging technology. IOMAX was the first commercial company to deploy and operate wireless GSM cellular exploitation equipment in the field, and first to introduce portable GSM wireless exploitation equipment into the U.S. market. Today, IOMAX USA is a full-spectrum provider for signals intelligence and airborne system solutions, serving customers across the globe. Our triangle of excellence includes a proficient field support division, a full-service professional training division, and a world-class aircraft division. with decades of aerospace experience providing solutions for aircraft, ISR, and weapon systems. Deploying, operating, and supporting sophisticated technology into any environment is a critical cornerstone in IOMAX's solution offerings to the end user. Some of our accomplishments to date include providing direct worldwide support of USG counter-drug and terrorist operations, and fielding the first tactical network-based GPRS edge tagging, tracking, and location systems. The IOMAX Aircraft Division is a full-service aircraft organization providing engineering, aircraft systems, and weapons integration services in accordance with customer-specific requirements. We provide custom ISR, fire control, and weapon system integration on manned aircraft like the Border Patrol aircraft, or BPA. With the BPA, IOMAX transformed a production agricultural spray plane into a long-endurance ISR and precision-guided weapon delivery platform. Our aircraft system solutions are tailored for customer requirements and rapidly brought to reality with IOMAX's demonstrated quick reaction capability. IOMAX delivers the entire system solution, including the aircraft, aircraft systems, weapons, air and ground crew training, maintenance, and logistics. It is understood every successful operation starts with solid training. The IOMAX Training Division provides creative curriculum and training options for our customers. Several examples of our diverse capabilities include new equipment training, aircraft pilot transition training, signal intelligence training, comprehensive aircraft systems training, and ordnance training solutions for our clients. IOMAX offers numerous training options to include self-paced interactive computer-based training, as well as professional platform and hands-on instruction. IOMAX employs a training staff composed of experienced professionals recruited from former military and special operations forces, as well as individuals drawn from the commercial business and communications sector. Our vision. We will be recognized and respected by U.S. and foreign governments as a reliable supplier of innovative solutions for extremely challenging domestic and foreign security issues. Our mission. To enhance our nation's security by integrating and applying current technology and also developing advanced technology solutions for U.S. government and approved foreign governments. Our values. Innovation. Rapidly providing knowledge-based solutions through innovative technical solutions. Accountability. Delivering quality results to both our internal and external customers on time, every time. Teamwork. Based on respect for and loyalty to our teammates, both fellow employees and business partners. Integrity. Solidly founded in honesty and trust. IOMAX, promoting national security and interoperability with U.S. allies.
I'm Joel Hampton, instructor pilot here with IOMAX at the Paris Air Show, and today we're debuting the brand new Archangel that IOMAX has put together. This airplane is based on a S2R Turbo 660 Thrush, and it brings together all of the stuff that we learned in IOMAX's previous airplane that they had predecessor that they've been flying in the Middle East for the last 2 years. So all that stuff that I learned teaching brand new students over there, we've made improvements on this airplane with the addition of all the stuff that I learned in 3,000 hours of flying the A-10. We're trying to bring all of that right here into one package. This aircraft is ISR aircraft, but it also has ability to go kinetic. We can carries lots of bombs, lots of munitions. We've got 10 hours of loiter time in this airplane to track, identify, make sure we're on the right target, and then if need be, we've got an array of munitions that we can use on that target. The big thing that I would point out about this airplane that I didn't see in some of the other aircraft that I've flown is this one is very tough. This airplane, the places that we take it every day, coming into some very short strips, places that have big potholes on them, lots of rocks, dry lake beds, things like that, are places that you wouldn't dream of taking another airplane. This airplane is special in the fact that you can beat it up all day and it just keeps working. I kind of call it the Kalashnikov of airplanes. You can beat it up, you can throw it in the mud, and it never jams. You have two pilots, the pilot up front, and he's got a Wizzo back in the back. The Wizzo's primary duty is running the MX-15 targeting pod that we have on this airplane, and then the pilot drives the airplane and navigates around. And then once the Wizzo has finally determined that we are on the correct target, relays that information to the front. The pilot can then use a new HUD that we have in the airplane, and then the pilot will be the one that pickles the bomb. The other things that I would like to point out about this airplane is it is easy to employ and it's easy to fly. With that addition of the HUD that we have up there, from some of the airplanes that we had before, it took 8 to 9 button pushes from laser designation of the target to actually pickling on it. This one takes 1. We can target 2 ways, one with grids coming from JTACs, but we can also target using nothing but our eyeball with this airplane. And then finally, this thing, it does not take long to get very confident or comfortable in this airplane. It's an easy airplane to fly.
Endless challenges met by Kia Motors Corporation. Kia has manufactured military vehicles since 1976 and established a high reputation around the world. The 1/4 ton series. A maximum speed of 140 kilometers per hour. The standard vehicle for the 1/4 ton series, the KM420 utility vehicle. 139 maximum horsepower, the power of a 2-liter DOHC engine, and a 91 horsepower 2-liter diesel engine as an option. Aiming for safety first, a front protector, a steel roll bar preventing occupants from injury in a rollover. Door impact beam. The KM424 106mm recoilless rifle carrier. A 106mm rifle can be loaded and carried on this vehicle. The KM426 K4 grenade launcher carrier. Fast mobility and precise attack power. The K4 grenade launcher carrier is used for attacking bunkers and dugouts. One and a quarter ton series. The basic vehicle of the 1 1/4 ton series, the KM450 cargo truck. It can negotiate a side slope of up to 40%. And it has a longitudinal gradability of 60%. The instruments are waterproof for rough weather and have improved visibility day or night. This vehicle displays its powerful mobility and stability on all terrain. The KM453 NBC reconnaissance vehicle. It is equipped with chemical analysis equipment, weather observing system, and radioactivity detector. The high-tech equipment detects nuclear, biological, and chemical hazards. It is a requisite vehicle for chemical warfare. The KM451 ambulance. The roomy interior allows transportation for a maximum of 8 people. The optimal layout allows prompt first aid. The KM452 shop van. 6 large toolboxes. And a wide variety of maintenance work can be carried out during field operations. The 2.5 ton series. The standard vehicle of the 2.5 ton series, the KM250 cargo truck. The frame consists of 8 cross members, and the rugged body is strong. The vehicle can accommodate up to 22 people. It is equipped with a pintle hook for towing heavy cargo trailers and 105mm howitzers. The KM255 fuel tanker. 4,540 liters of fuel can be easily fueled in the field. The KM256 water tanker. 3,800 liters of water can be quickly stored and supplied. The KM258 shop van. The vehicle has various tools and a spacious work area. Electric power can be freely provided with a portable generator. The KM259 decontamination vehicle. With great mobility, contaminated areas are neutralized in chemical warfare. The 5 ton series. The standard vehicle of the 5 ton series, the KM500 cargo truck. The vehicle is a heavy-duty truck, but is easy to maintain and operate. A pintle hook allows towing of a 155mm howitzer. The vehicle is effective in operations. The KM501 dump truck. The tailgate can be easily controlled from inside the driver's cabin. The vehicle dumps at a maximum of 70 degrees. The KM502 wrecker. The hoist can rotate 360 degrees and can be extended over 5 meters. Salvage work can be done effectively. The KM503 tractor. This vehicle has a maximum hauling capacity of 25 tons. The KM504 expansible van. The vehicle's length can be doubled when parked. It can be used as a field command headquarters during operations. The KM505 long cargo truck. It is extended 1.92 meters longer than the KM500, making transportation of long cargoes like missiles easier. The KM506 ribbon bridge system carrier. This vehicle transports and quickly releases pontoons during river crossing operations. The 10-ton series. The KM1002 tractor. This vehicle is optimal for transporting large weapons and equipment. One main battle tank or 2 armored vehicles can be transported. The KM1001 wrecker. The maximum towing capacity is 15 tons. This vehicle is used for lifting tank engines and recovering vehicles. Kia military vehicles have been exported to many countries around the world. Kia is one of the leading companies in the global defense market with high technology. High performance even in sandy areas like the Sahara Desert, and areas with high temperature and humidity like tropical forests. Kia military vehicles are contributing to national defense in countries around the world at this very moment. Customer service by Kia Motors, an integrated logistics support system. Training for maintenance, various manuals, complete quality guarantee, providing a continuous supply of spare parts, basic tools. This is a comprehensive military support system that aims for perfection of vehicle repair and maintenance. Kia Motors will be one of the top 5 vehicle manufacturers in the world. Kia Motors will continue to advance forward. Many vehicles are capable of speed on the road, but only one car offers unparalleled performance. This car is the tactical vehicle designed for use on the battlefield. It must withstand danger in any circumstance, execute any operation smoothly, and combine mobility, durability, operability, and survivability alike. Kia Motors is leading a revolution in the production of military standard vehicles that satisfy all military requirements. The Military Vehicle Research and Development Center is the very heart of Kia's pride. This dedicated approach results in a comprehensive expression of our technology and know-how. In keeping with our ideals, we constructed a specialized factory for military vehicle assembly in 2008. This specialized facility asserts Kia Motors' reputation as a pioneer in the production of military standard vehicles. In this factory, we produce military standard vehicles, quarter-ton, 1 1/4 ton, 2.5 ton, 5 ton, and 10 ton, as well as other affiliated vehicles. To ensure fail-safe quality and safety, the factory also performs driving, shower, and brake system testing on the vehicles. The factory testing grounds are equipped with a 60% incline road, fording pool, and proving ground to ensure our vehicles achieve secure mobility in all adverse conditions. The indoor facility boasts a fully equipped system to thoroughly test vehicle performance. Kia Motors is proud to take responsibility for the mobility of the Korean and overseas armed forces with guaranteed performance and quality. we will now introduce Kia's military standard vehicles, which epitomize modern technology and performance. First is the KM420, the quarter-ton utility vehicle which boasts a robust design while preserving agility. It is a 6-seat vehicle with 130 horsepower, a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour, and is designed to conquer any type of road. Additionally, we have been improving the combat capabilities of major clients all over the world by developing the 106mm recoilless rifle carrier based on the quarter-ton utility vehicle. Next is a series of 1.25-ton multi-purpose military trucks with superior mobility. The base model is the KM450 cargo truck. It ensures optimal maneuverability of the military and has enough load capacity of around 2 tons, or 12 fully armed troops. Its ergonomic design makes for highly comfortable driving. At the same time, it is capable of escaping rough terrain by applying an NSD differential locking system, which also helps overcome open fields, slippery terrain, and rugged roads. Next is the KM451 ambulance, which has the mobility of a cargo truck and is designed for wartime conditions. For an optimal rescue environment, it is equipped with an air conditioner system, oxygen tanks, medicine cabinet, linger hooks, and other equipment for transferring patients to the hospital. Even emergency light surgery is possible, while 8 lightly wounded patients and 4 litter patients can also become accommodated. The KM452 is a military repair shop van that deals with emergency maintenance requests on the field. The next vehicle is an outstanding multi-purpose KM250 2.5-ton cargo truck, as well as its variants. It is equipped with a powerful 183 horsepower engine. It shows off its instinctive speed on any road surface. It features a centralized dashboard and an ergonomic design for optimal operating conditions. It can also exert maximum braking force with minimal effort by utilizing the air-over-hydraulic technology. It is equipped to be the best vehicle for moving heavy cargo, weapons, and troops. It is capable of moving 20 fully armed troops and is responsible for towing 105mm howitzers. We shouldn't overlook the KM258 repair shop van in this series. Next is the KM255 fuel tanker, built using the main chassis of the KM250 cargo truck. It is loaded with a large volume of oil tank up to 5,000 liters. It effectively provides fuel for aircrafts or tanks during operation. Finally is this KM256 water tanker. It is loaded with a water tank that can carry up to 5,000 liters. It provides life-saving water in chemically or biologically contaminated areas and other extreme situations. Now, we'll introduce the high-powered Kia military vehicle 5-ton series. The base model is the KM500 cargo truck. It has a maximum output of 270 horsepower with its optimum engine and power lines. It is an all-weather tactical vehicle that can tow a 155mm howitzer, as well as transport platoon forces and heavy cargo. The KM504 is an adaptable van that can quickly and easily transform into a military command post. It has been fulfilling the role of a mobile field command center with a complete air conditioning unit and both wired and wireless communication systems. KM506, which carries various parts for emergency repair, is already ready to be supplied. The KM507 is a multi-purpose modular tactical decontamination vehicle. It can oversee an area containing contaminated bodies and equipment resulting from a chemical or biological enemy attack. Decontamination of bodies, equipment, and the surrounding areas is made possible with special modules such as a large water tank, crane, and water pump. And by applying auto cruise control while decontaminating an area, it maintains constant speed for significant and effective decontamination. Finally, the KM502 Wrecker has been developed based on our 5-ton chassis truck. It has a lifting capacity of over 8 tons, as well as 10-ton front towing and 20-ton rear towing capability to fulfill the various demands of military clients around the world. The last vehicle is the KM-1001, a 10-ton military vehicle. Its impressive power is realized with a 450 horsepower engine, the highest power output of any engine in Korea. It can be driven on any terrain with its 8x8 drive system. Turning radius is minimized with 2-axis steering. Of particular interest are the built-in differential lock and interlock systems, which allow optimum mobility in both rain and snow. It has been utilized as a special-purpose large vehicle with a maximum lifting capacity of 15 tons, 360-degree free operation capability, large vehicle towing, tank recovery capabilities, self-propelled gun power packs, and others. It's a military vehicle that demonstrates a whole new concept in the world of automobiles. Kia Motors has been developing an infrastructure for ceaseless research and development based on extensive experience and know-how. We are making history in the world of military vehicles. We will continue to innovate as a professional, world-leading producer of military vehicles and contribute to our worldwide customers with a fully lined up military vehicles and integrated logistic supports.